Hello friends, Iceberg with Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson, and today I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of this 2009 Harley Davidson Dyna Super Glide Custom. The Super Glide Custom is definitely Dyna's kind of throwback to the 70s, much like the Dyna Lowriders. Just has that very nice, old school, aggressive look to it. You go up front where you have the 19-inch all spoked front wheel, and then on the rear you have the 17-inch all spoked on there. I love the look of spokes. As I said, really kind of takes you back to the 70s, 80s motorcycles. Just great looks on it. Another touching note on this 2009, the tires on this bike are brand new, have been fully gone through and replaced. We're going to move up front on the Dyna where you have the stock pulled back, slammed down kind of Buckhorn style handlebars. These are extremely comfortable to ride on. You can definitely, even if you're a taller person, it does kind of put you in a nice seating position. You have great handling on the motorcycle, and once again, just kind of sticks to that classic vibe of the 70s on this motorcycle. Let's talk about the engine on the Dyna Super Glide Custom here, where you have the 96 cubic inch air-cooled twin cam engine. These engines are very powerful on these motorcycles. This bike only comes in weighing at 653 pounds, so it's a nice lightweight motorcycle with plenty of power on there. You do have a 6-speed transmission, and the final drive on this motorcycle is belt. Moving to the gas tank on this Super Glide Custom, where you have the 5-gallon gas tank. Tons of riding time on this bike before you're worrying about having to hit the pumps. And let's talk about the color. This is going to be the dark blue pearl with the pinstripe blue running across it. Very nice paint scheme. You get this thing out in the sunlight, you're going to see lots of nice silver flake coming up through the blue. And then of course, kind of finishing off the tank, you have that very nice retro style Harley Davidson badge running across it. Now let's talk about some add-ons to this Super Glide Custom. We'll start up front and move down. You do have the mid controls, which I personally really like. I love mid controls on the motorcycles. I think it gives you your best weight distribution, can really get aggressive in the corners with the mid controls. But when you do want to stretch out, added on here, you do have the highway pegs that give you a nice extension. So when you're having those longer rides on this motorcycle, you are really going to be able to stretch out on this bike. Talking about being comfortable and stretching out, let's move to the center where you have the Mustang seat on here. Mustang seats are very well known for being extremely comfortable and really catering to much longer rides. You do have the nice lower lumbar support here, keeping your lower back nice and upright, and then you do have the full passenger seat as well. So this bike is completely two-up ready, does have the passenger pegs, and then on the back you do have the hard mounted backrest for your passenger with all chrome luggage rack back there. The last addition to this motorcycle, and a very nice addition once again for kind of your longer rides, the very nice leather Harley Davidson saddlebags. These are not locking bags, they do just click, so you will want to be conscious of that if you're leaving your bike and leaving stuff in it. They do not lock, but they are very roomy. You're going to be able to pack a lot of stuff in here so you can take those nice long distance rides. This motorcycle, as it sits on our floor, has 43,027 miles. So this motorcycle has been ridden. What's nice is it has gone fully through our service shop. This has all brand new fluids in it. Engine gaskets have been replaced and the neck bearings have been replaced. Put that together with the brand new nice tires on here, this motorcycle needs absolutely nothing to go down the road, and you're going to get a ton of riding time on it before you even have to worry about your next oil change. We have this bike priced to sell. This motorcycle is going for $7,770 out the door. That is a lot of Dyna for that price. And if you are local in Omaha, Nebraska and are interested in this 2009 Dyna Super Glide Custom, please stop out at Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson today. Come talk to any one of our sales staff. They're going to tell you great things about this motorcycle. Throw a leg over it, take it out for a test ride. Pretty sure it's going to put a smile on your face. And if you are watching this video via YouTube and are interested in this motorcycle, for an average cost of around $600, we can ship a bike like this from our door to your door. And as always, from the entire Dillon Brothers Harley Davidson family, thank you so much for checking out our videos. And always remember, gear up, ride safe. Thanks a lot.